This is LKCA-15. It's a star 450 light years away, similar in mass to our sun. A protoplanetary disk of dust and gas surrounds it, and in it, new planets are being born.
When planets are first forming, there's a disk of material around the star when it's very young, and the planets basically form from all this debris. Stuff hits and sticks together, and it grows bigger and bigger and bigger, and then its gravity draws material in. Planet formation is like a demolition derby. There are a lot of similarities. In a derby, the cars are racing around a track, going around in circles at different speeds. Well, it's the same thing with planets. The material is orbiting the sun. It's going around, and they're all going at different speeds, at different angles, different trajectories. Sometimes this material collides, and you get a bigger object left over. And that's how planets grow. It's how they form.
From afar, it looks beautiful, but venture up close, and you'll be trapped in a vortex of speeding material.
The material, the dust, the grains of sand, even the bigger rocks, are moving at orbital speeds around this proto-star. So we're talking about 10, 15, 20 miles per second.
You might think that the large rocks are the most dangerous, but in space, that's not necessarily the case.
The bigger rocks can be seen, can be tracked. Things this big can be tracked in space. But anything that's about this big is hard to find in space. You don't know it's coming.
So while we're all fearing the big rock, if you're out in space, you better watch out for the small rock that's moving fast.
If a pebble the size of a BB pellet traveling at 40,000 miles an hour hits Chuck, our crash test dummy, it's gonna cut right through him.
You know, there are rules in baseball that a batter has to wear a helmet because there's a baseball moving at him at 100 miles an hour, and if that hits him in the head, it could kill him. Now imagine that baseball is being thrown 1,000 times faster, right? That would put a hole right through a batter's head. It wouldn't even slow down. That's how dangerous these things are.